Hi everyone, good day. Welcome back to our next video. In this video, we will discuss about strings in C. Let's get started. String is a sequence of characters enclosed within double quotes. Say for example, the string hello world, you can see it is enclosed within double quotes. It is also known as string literal constant. Every string literal constant is automatically terminated by the null character. The characters in the string along with the terminating null character are stored in contiguous memory location. The number of bytes required to store a string is one more than the number of characters present in it. Say for example, in this example hello world, we have 12 characters along the white space and exclamatory mark. We have 12 characters, but when we store in the memory required is 12 plus 1 byte. The one extra byte is for storing the null character. The terminating null character in string is very important. Every string operation checks the presence of null character to determine the end of a string. But the length of the string is defined as the number of characters present in it. The terminating null character is not counted while determining the length of the string. So here in this example, the length of the string would be 12, but the size required for storing in memory would be 13. String data type is not separately available. Strings can be represented by character pointers and character array. First we will see the syntax, how to represent a string by using character pointers. Syntax for declaring the character pointer, char star pointer variable name. Here this pointer variable name is a variable of pointer type, character pointer type, which means that it will hold the address of a character value. Instead of directly holding the character value, it will hold the address of the character value. So example, char star str. So we can directly initialize the string literal constant to this pointer variable. Syntax for initialization, char star pointer variable name is equal to within double quotes the string. Say for example, char star str equal to hello world. Here the string hello world is stored in contiguous memory location and the starting address of the string will be allocated to this character pointer str. Instead of directly allocating the string, we are allocating the starting address to this pointer variable str as it is a character pointer. Another way of representing a string or storing a string is the character array. We can use a character array to store a string. The syntax for declaring a character array, char data type, array name of size. We can directly initialize a string to this character array either by using a initialization list or the string literal. Say for example, char str of 6 equal to, we can use the initialization list here. Each character is separately given, separated by commas, H, E, L, L, O. Suppose if I want to store the string hello, I have to give the characters individually as a character constant in the initialization list. So I have to specify the null character also. When I am initializing a character array with this initializer, then the terminating null character is to be explicitly placed. When it is initialized with the string literal constant, the terminating null character is automatically placed. Say for example, char str of 6 is equal to within double quotes if I say hello, I need not explicitly specify the terminating null character. It will be automatically placed. While declaring the string variable itself, we can initialize the value also, but when we want to read the values from the terminal, that is also possible by using scanf statement, getChar and getters. So let us see how we can use these statements for reading the strings from the terminal. So first we can see how we are reading by using the scanf statement. So everything we have to declare a character array. So see the example, char str of 10, we are declaring a character array str of the size 10. So in the scanf statement, we are using the format specifier %s which represents the string and you are reading the data in str. So here The problem here in this statement is that it terminates its input on the first white space it finds. To read an input till the new line, you can use the next format specifier percentage within square bracket /n. So in this case, it can read string containing white space and terminates when new line is encountered. The next way of reading the strings from the terminal is a getchar. So getchar, we know that it reads only a single character at a time. So we are using a loop. For reading a string, we are using a loop here. This function can be used repeatedly to read and it gets stored in an array. The reading is terminated when the new line character is entered and the null character is then inserted at the end of the string. So if you want to read an entire string, then you can use the getters function. So it can read a string of text containing white spaces also. So already we have seen how to use getchar and getters in our previous input-output video. If you have not watched that video, kindly check the description for the link. If you want to display the strings to the terminal, it can be done by using the printf function and the putters function. Syntax for printf. Printf, we have to use the format specifier percentages and the string variable str. It will display an array of character that is terminated by null character. We can also use putters function. So syntax putters of str. So this prints the value of the string variable str to the terminal. How putters works and printf works, it is already available in the input-output video. You can check the description for the link. In this video, we discussed about the strings in C. In the next video, we will discuss about the string library functions. Hope this video was useful to you. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.